All right, so Troy, you asked me how you would get the most upside with a good move on Tesla. That was yesterday, and then obviously today it went down a substantial amount. So, but basically, in order to collect the most premium, like the most dollars back in your account, you're going to want to do something close to the money, which means right now Tesla's trading at 614. So if we wanted it to be risky, and we were very confident that it's not going to go below 615, let's say a couple weeks out, this is what we would do. So at 614, we could do like a 615 610 or a 610 605. So we'll go to trade options. We'll get our couple weeks out, Christmas Eve again. So these are the ones that you could do to collect quite a bit. If you knew it was going to go up, you could even do something farther up. So I'll give you an example. You said, I think you thought it would go $60 to the upside. So if you wanted to pick something $50 to the upside, that would be like a 665. So you would go up to a 665. You would sell this put, and then you would buy back the one below it. You can see the credit that you would receive is $350. So you would get $350 deposited into your account with a risk of $500. So that's a very, very good return on your money. However, risky, because right now it's pretty volatile. But I've done this in the past when I thought that when there was news coming out, and I was fairly certain it was going up. But this has not been the majority of my style, and it does not feel very safe to me. So as we go down, so right now it's at 612, dropped a couple dollars. So let's say we wanted to do something right under that. So oh boy, dropped them again. So we'll do a 610. No, we'll do 605. I like to do at least $500. We'll do a 250. So there's only a $2.50 difference between these, which means our risk is $250. So you can see you get $1.50 credit, which is, that's a lot that's actually quite a bit. So your maximum risk here is losing your $250 that you have collateral, but since you've collected 143 on this, your actual loss would only be $110. Just so I'm with you, we'll go ahead and do one of these. Why not? Actually, I think 600 is a more likely place where if it's pretty close, it could bounce around like we saw this morning. So we'll do one a little bit lower. Boy, you can see how decisive I am here. So this way, if it bounces down to 600 or just a tad below, we're still in the money. So this is still a $250 collateral risk. Still collecting pretty close to the same premium, right? 10 bucks, something like that, $15 less. So we'll go ahead and continue on this guy, and we'll try to open up one for about 135, so we get filled rather quickly. So you can see our collateral's 250, credit $1.35 or 135, so that's over 50%. 50% of the collateral you're collecting. So this is a very, very good return. This is basically you get 50% of your money. So if you were to put out $20,000, you could collect over $10,000 in the period of 2 weeks. Amazing. Just depends on how confident and comfortable you are doing this. But we'll go for it. Why not? See if we get filled at $1.35. Wait a couple seconds. Not happening. So we will replace this order, and we will try $1.30. So we got $132 to open up this spread. If it does not close below, where are we at? 580, 597, I believe. Let's look at what we just opened up. This was a 624. Okay, so this is our 597, 595. If it does not close below 597.50, Christmas Eve, we will keep our $132. If it does close below there, you can just I'd take Cash App or Venmo or whatever. PayPal's fine too, if this turns out to be a loser. Oh, and just kind of an update on the day. So this morning I made a quick little video. I think we were down 4,000. When I woke up this morning, we were down 5,000. Now we're up 4,000. So we're getting back up to where we were. Not bad. It looks like it's cruising up pretty well. So it's already been an over $10,000 swing today, and that's why it's not really scary for this strategy, because as long as it doesn't just tank down to, I think my lowest one until now was 550. As long as it's not below 550, I don't lose $1, and I get to keep all my premium. But now, as long as it's not below that 590, 597 or whatever we just did. So there you go.